character input and output. When used with disk files, the term character input and output refers to single characters as well as lines of characters. The line is a sequence of 0 or more characters terminated by the new line character. Use character input and output with text mode files. Character input. There are 3 character input functions, getC and fgetC for single characters and fgets for lines. The function getC and fgetC are identical and can be used interchangeably. They input a single character from the specified stream. Here is the prototype of getC, which is in stdio.h. intgetc, open bracket, file, asterisk, fp, close bracket, semicolon. The argument fp is the pointer returned by fopen when the file is opened. The function returns the character that was input or EOF on error. getC was used in earlier programs to input a character from the keyboard. This is another example of the flexibility of C streams. The same function can be used for keyboard or file input. The getC function program. The fgets function. To read a line of characters from a file, use the fgets library function. The prototype is char asterisk fgets, open bracket, char asterisk str, int n, file asterisk fp, close bracket, semicolon. The argument str is a pointer to a buffer in which the input is to be stored. N is the maximum number of characters to be input and fp is the pointer to type file that was returned by fopen when the file was opened. When called, fgets reads characters from fp into memory starting at the location pointer to by str. Characters are read until a new line is encountered or until n-1 characters have been read, whichever occurs first. By setting n equal to the number of bytes allocated for the buffer, str, one prevents input from overwriting memory beyond allocated space. The n-1 is to allow space for the terminating \0 that fgets adds to the end of the string. If successful, fgets returns str. File processing. The putC function. The library function putC writes a single character to a specified stream. Its prototype in stdio.h is as shown. The argument ch is the character to output. As with other character functions, it is formally called a type int, but only the lower order byte is used. The argument fp is the pointer associated with the file, the pointer returned by fopen when the file was opened. The function putC returns the character just written if successful or EOF if an error occurs. The symbolic constant EOF is defined in stdio.h and it has the value -1. Because no real character has that numeric value, EOF can be used as an error indicator with text mode files only. The fputs function. To write a line of characters to a stream, use the library function fputs. This function works just like puts. The only difference is that with fputs, one can specify the output stream. Also, fputs doesn't add a new line to the end of the string. One must explicitly include it. The argument str is a pointer to the null terminated string to be written, and fp is the pointer to type file returned by fopen when the file was opened. The string pointed to by str is written to the file. minus its terminating \0. The function fputs returns a non-negative value if successful or EOF on error.